I purchased this heavy-duty shelf for my laundry room to house all of my extra stuff, specifically tools and accessories such as that. Now, this is sitting in my laundry room, but these are fantastic for garages or any other utility room. There is plenty of storage, and they come in large varieties of sizes and heights. This one is 3 feet across and 16 inches deep, and it's 6 feet tall. I've assembled it myself. You can adjust the shelves as you need. It is super heavy duty and sturdy. Each shelf has a wood shelf to put on top of the metal, and you can see how much weight I have on here. This is a highly recommended shelf, great utility shelf. You can get as many as you want and put them against the whole wall of your garage, and it would make fantastic shelving. It doesn't look like a big shelf, but it can hold so much. So I highly recommend it. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.